of all genders wearing cupcakes on their boobs. But I've never seen this one. What is this?
It's traffic cone.
People, right? Just give them a heads up. Hey, slow down. There might be children crossing, or don't go here. It's dangerous. So really, you're out here saving people's lives. Just saving people's lives. What's up?